Hi, this is Sam Smyth from Smyth Imports. It's a 2017 Silver Ghost, came in for service. Just ran the video on it. The car's got a few little marks here and there. You just see, needs a good bath. Identify anything, looks like there's a little thing there. Little small stuff. See anything else? Looks more like a bird. Had its way with it. Get all that stuff off here shortly. So anyway, if you have a 2017, 18, 16, now the 18s are a bit different. They changed the oil filters, things like that. So come see us. We do suspension issues. We like to bow down, that sort of thing. Oil changes. Scanning for the car for anything may or may not be wrong with it. So we've been located here in Sims Township. I think we around the 70s is when we opened in Sims Township. So it's just bordering Indian Hill, Montgomery. That road there goes up to Montgomery Road where Montgomery Inn is. This Camargo Road goes down into Madera and right up straight up to Indian Hill and Madera. So we sit on the corner of Love and Madera and Remington Road. So we incorporated here, I know for sure, in 82, but we were here before that. The company was established in Ireland in 1934. So we're authorized as an independent to work on Bentley Motorcars. However, we're not factory authorized to do Rolls-Royce. However, we do service Rolls-Royces as specialists and have for many, many years. Bentley has taken up on the older vintage cars, and they're supplying all the parts for the vintage cars. So when it comes to the Phantom now, that's all by itself. They don't fool with the old cars, or what we call vintage and classic cars. I don't know really where that word old cars came in, unless it was just a domestic car made. So, but the vintage and classics Bentley takes care of. So, and we have access to all that since we take care of them all the way up to 2022. We just had one in for an oil service. So if you need our help, you have some Rolls Royces, you have some exotic cars, Lamborghini, Porsche, Ferrari. Doesn't really matter what it is, Bugatti. Come see us. We're happy to service it, McLaren. We're pretty much anything British, and then we do a lot of Italian, German, French, Spain, a lot of one-off cars. Spanish Suiza, here's one for you. So that's pretty much about it. You can pretty much call us 24 hours a day. We'll return the telephone call to you, and if not that evening, the next business day for sure. But if we're not asleep or whatever, we will return a call to you pretty much just about any time to try and help you out. So anyway, we work strictly by appointment, no drop-ins, and everything takes a little bit of time to bring it in. So that's pretty much it. You've got to drop it off when we're here and pick it up when we're here. So anyway, that's it. If you have any further questions, please give us a call at 513-793-0434. And you can reach us at Smyth, S-M-Y-T-H, imports.com. Once again, that's smythimports.com. We're here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and this is a 2017 Phantom in for a service right after the 2016 left for leveling service, leveling struts. So, in a service. Thank you.